Heartbreak. And this is the perfect entry again. There are so many steps to follow. Check the chart first, note the option strike price next, then place the trade. There's so much to compare and so many checkpoints. And by then the options price has moved. Yeah, I've been exploring options trading, but it's so overwhelming.
I get it, Aman. Options trading can feel like a maze. But what if I tell you about a new feature exclusive for Angel One traders that can make options trading 10 times faster and simpler?
Really? Tell me more.
It's called Trade on Underlying, a revolutionary way to trade. Launched for the very first time in India, a radical change for traders like you and me.
Okay, how does it solve my problems?
Let's break it up. Traditionally, to trade options, you analyze the Nifty or Sensex chart. Find the right strike price in the option chain. Open the order pad to place your entry, target, and stop loss orders.
Yes, and all of these take so much time.
Exactly. And in fast-moving markets, those seconds matter. The perfect entry might be missed if the option price moved or the stop loss feels too risky.
Right. It's so frustrating when the opportunity slips away.
That's where Trade on Underlying shines. Instead of navigating all those steps, you trade directly on the index chart, the Nifty or the Sensex chart you are analyzing.
Wait, so no more juggling between charts and order pad?
Exactly. Let's say you spot a bullish pattern on Nifty. You can directly buy a Nifty call option with one click. No need to search for strike prices or open the order pad.
That sounds amazing, but how do I set targets and stop loss?
Simple, you can set your target and stop loss directly on the spot chart.
Oh, so I don't have to go back and forth on the order pad and the charts?
Exactly. Plus, you'll even see a live break-even line on the chart. It adjusts for all the complex stuff. Greeks, volatility, time decay for the options contract you are trading, and shows you where your trade will break even.
But Ria, isn't it risky placing an order without seeing the option contract chart?
Great question. Here's the thing. For most options, 99% of the price movement is correlated to the underlying index movement. Unless you're trading far out of money contracts, the index is your reference.
Okay, this sounds like a lifesaver for someone like me who's still learning.
It's a lifesaver for pros too. Removing distractions like switching between the order pads and the charts and whatnot helps you focus on what matters, the index analysis. It's time to stop your worries, simplify trades, save time, and make informed decisions.
I can't wait to try this. Is this available now?
Absolutely. With the Trade on Underlying feature, Angel One has simplified your investment journey.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.